Today, we will focus on two key minerals that you may encounter in thin section analysis: biotite and calcite. Biotite is a common mineral found in igneous rocks, while calcite is more frequently found in metamorphic rocks. We will explore how these minerals appear under a microscope and discuss how to identify them. Calcite is generally a medium to high relief rounded mineral. In plain polarized light, it also appears mostly white with no pleochroism. It also may exhibit rainbow streaks, which can be seen in some of the calcite displayed in this thin section. It also has two visible cleavage planes that are 60 and 120 degrees. However, its most distinctive feature is seen under cross-polarized light, showing off-the-chart interference colors. It also has unique birefringent properties, going extinct symmetrically. Calcite is typically associated with non-foliated textures, specifically marble, which is formed when limestone undergoes metamorphism due to high temperatures and pressure.
In contrast, biotite displays an anhedral habit with a medium to high relief under the microscope. In plain polarized light, some of its most defining features can be seen. As you can see, biotite has a prominent basal cleavage that stands out. As you also may have noticed, biotite displays pleochroism, shifting from tan to black. When viewed under cross-polarized light, biotite reveals second-order interference colors and shows bird's eye extinction. It also displays a sign of elongation, being length slow. Biotite, which is a phyllosilicate, is commonly found with felsic igneous rocks with a phaneritic texture, specifically granite.